Appgyver Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of the Appgyver Mobile App Development Platform. Links to explore the platform are provided in the description below, so you can check it out directly after the video. Appgyver is a no-code and low-code development platform tailored for creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses looking to design and deploy mobile and web apps without writing a single line of code. Its key strength lies in its visual drag-and-drop interface, which makes it incredibly intuitive for beginners while still offering advanced customization options for seasoned developers. One of Appgyver's standout features is its Composer Pro, a tool that enables users to visually design user interfaces while maintaining pixel-perfect precision. You can integrate sophisticated logic flows, use pre-built components, or create custom ones to fit your exact needs. Another powerful feature is its data integration capabilities, allowing seamless connection to REST APIs, databases, and other third-party services. This means you can power your app with real-time data effortlessly. Appgyver is designed for diverse users. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur launching your first app, a small business owner modernizing workflows, or an enterprise developer looking to prototype rapidly, this platform offers unparalleled flexibility. It supports cross-platform development, enabling you to create apps for iOS, Android, and the web from a single project. Plus, it's free for individual developers and small businesses with revenues under $10 million, which is a game changer compared to similar platforms. In my experience, the learning curve is manageable, with a robust community and extensive documentation available to support users. However, while the platform is powerful, users requiring highly complex or niche customizations might encounter limitations compared to traditional coding. That said, for 95% of app building needs, Appgyver delivers an efficient, user-friendly solution that bridges the gap between concept and reality. Overall, Appgyver excels at empowering users to bring their app ideas to life without the need for coding expertise, making it an invaluable tool in today's app-driven world. Be sure to check it out via the links below and start building your app today.